On the afternoon of August 18th, 1973, 5 young people in a Volkswagen van ran out of gas on a farm road in South Texas. 4 of them were never seen again. The next morning, the one survivor, Sally Hardesty Enright, was picked up on a roadside, blood-caked and screaming murder. Sally said she had broken out of a window in hell. The girl babbled a mad tale. A cannibal family in an isolated farmhouse, chainsawed fingers and bones. Her brother, her friends, hacked up for barbecue. Chairs made of human skeletons. Then she sank into catatonia. Texas lawmen mounted a month-long manhunt, but could not locate the macabre farmhouse. They could find no killers and no victims, no facts, no crime. Officially, on the records, the Texas Chainsaw Massacre never happened. But during the last 13 years, over and over again, reports of bizarre, grisly chainsaw mass murders have persisted all across the state of Texas. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre has not stopped. It haunts Texas. It seems to have no end.
Party of the world.
Red River Rock and Roll request line, this is Stretch.
That's for Glenn. And could you tell the girls at Nancy High just to leave him alone?
Got it, and I believe it. Glenn is off limits now. This is Stretch on an open request line on K. Oakland in Burke Burnett, Texas. Red River Rock and Roll from the tip top of the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex.
Dex, let's get Stretch a call and see what she says.
What kind of name is Stretch?
No.
Red River Rock and Roll request line, this is Stretch.
Yo, Stretch, this is the one and only Buzz. I rigged the brick! And from all the senior boys at Wheeler High to all the senior girls who are so stuck up. Well, you're on the road to nowhere.
Oh, you mean we're on the road to nowhere?
No, baby, we're on the road to Texas OU weekend in Dallas. You're on the road to nowhere.
Put the horse, baby!
Real funny guys. Okay, you want to hang up now? Tying up the line. Hey, come on.
No way,
We
baby.
got a lot more in front.
Hey, check it out, dude. Let's play a little chicken with the farmer here. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on, man.
That was great! That was great! You got that, babe? All right?
You better stick with us, baby.
Yeah, later, sports. Just hang up, okay?
No way.
LG,
Damn it, I'm trying, darling.
don't call me darling, damn it.
The sun goes down and the moon comes up. I turn into a teenage goo-goo mob. You better duck when I show up. Goo-goo mob.
Yo, it's 8:11 Texas time on a Friday night. I know nobody's listening because y'all are all zooming, but I got a shot of hot rock and roll for you anyway. K.O. Red River Rock and Roll Request.
What is Stretch? It's the buzz again.
Oh, not again. Hang it up, lame-o. Go call your mother.
Dirty, but this is for Rick the Prick. He wants to hear bright lights, big titties.
Wrong. I don't want to hear it. I want to see it. Bright lights, big titties. Yee!
LG, get in here, please.
Fuck? Are you crazy? Back up, big fucker!
Hurry up, get out of here.
They gotta hang up.
Come on, hang
Shit!
Come on, hurry up.
What the fuck?
Hang up.
What the hell is that?
Some kind of geek.
The geek's got a...
Come on, what is that?
Holy shit!
Come on, get out of here. Where'd he come from?
Don't
Hurry
believe
up.
this shit!
Just keep driving. Come on. Hey, let's go. Come on. What you doing? God damn it. What you got there? What? Come on, what is that? I don't believe it. Come on. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Yeah, come on, get out of here.
Like a buzzsaw.
Hey, hang up, man. Hang up. Hang up, hang up, hang up, hang up, hang up, hang up, hang up.
Shoot the bastard!
Well, it just cut off.
Did you do that? What happened?
It's like super feedback. Just put the underwoof across the overflapper. I don't know.
Just went dead air. Cowboy, get away from there. This is an accident scene. The area is restricted. I'm not going to tell you again.
It's all right. It's all right, Wendell. Lieutenant Enright, sir. We heard you might be headed this way. Did you come over for the big game?
You know why I'm here.
Yes, there's something about chainsaw killers, your brother's kids killed. But that was 14 years ago, sir, way down in South Texas. Now, these are other kids. This is just an accident. Just a couple of wild punks out raising hell.
Yep. One of those boys so wild sawed his own head off going 90 miles per hour. Hell. Hell's exactly what they raised.
No, sir, that information's off the record. You know, sir, this is always a pretty hairy weekend for Dallas. Whole lot of folks come to town and don't give a damn about football. You know, they just want to go blood crazy for a few riot. You know what riot means? You were a ranger. Can't hardly keep them down by law, and if you go around promoting this chainsaw...
Trying to speak plain. Saves time.
Oh. I have authority from the DA's office to put you right back on the next plane to Amarillo.
Will you just do that, son? I'd like to see that authority.
All right, Lieutenant Enright, what's your deal?
All right. I'm gonna ask some questions. Put it in the press. Get it in the news. Any information about this accident. And maybe some witnesses.
Yes, sir. I know some old boys at the paper. We'll get your story out for you.
Brazos. Brazos. Brazos.
Remember the Alamo, cowboy?